Hi everyone, welcome to WP Pocket. In today's video, I will show you steps to create a website, a blog using free hosting and a free domain. Without wasting time, let's start the video. The first thing you need to do is create an account on profreehost.com. This website provides you free hosting. I don't know about the quality of their hosting, but yes, they will give you hosting for free. Open profreehost.com/register in your browser. You can also find this link in the description below. Enter your email address and password to create an account. Click submit button. After that, you will get a message. Please activate your account first. Check your email. You will receive an email like this. Click activate account. Now refresh this page. This time, you will see a message. You do not have any account yet. Create one now. Click create new account button. Enter a domain name for your website. You can choose between two subdomains for your website. Choose any one which you like. This will be your website address. If you want to continue with this domain, then click submit. You can also use a custom domain name. You need to point your domain name to these name servers. If you want, then you can add all 4 name servers, but just 2 will work fine. Now go back to this page. Select custom domain. Enter your domain name. Click submit. ProFreeHost will take 5 to 10 minutes to create your account. After that, you will see a green tick before your domain name. Now you need to install WordPress on your website. WordPress gives you everything you need to create your website. Click manage. Here you will find all the details of your account, including the FTP details and other details. Now click on the control panel. This will take you to the cPanel. Scroll down to the software section. Click on the Softaculous Apps Installer. Select WordPress and click install. If you want www before your website's address, then select www under choose protocol option, otherwise leave as it is. Scroll down to the admin account section. Choose a username and a secure password. You need these details to access the dashboard of your website. You can also choose your language. Scroll down and click install. It will install WordPress in a few minutes. After the installation process, you will see your website URL and admin URL. Click on the website's address to see how's your website looking. This is the default WordPress website. Now you need to install a theme and import an awesome looking website. Type /wp-admin after your website address. This will take you to the login page. Enter username and password which you created in the previous step. Click login. This is the admin dashboard. You can find all the options on the left side. Now you can close all the tabs. You don't need them now. Go to the appearance. Click themes. These are the pre-installed themes. Click add new themes. You can also click add new here. Type Astra in the search box. Install and activate this theme. Now you can click Starter Templates to install the plugin, or go to the plugins, click add new. Type Starter Templates in the search box. Install and activate this plugin. After that, you will see Getting Started menu. Click on the Elementor. Click on the drop down and select free. Choose a good looking design for your website. Click on the design which you like. You can check the preview of some pages. You can also click preview button to see how your website will look. If you want to install this design into your website, then click import complete site. You will see a pop-up menu. You can select delete previously imported site to delete previous files. Then click import. It will take 5 to 10 minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection. After that, you will see a message imported successfully. Click view site to see how's your website looking now. Your website is almost ready. Now you need to customize your website as per your requirement. Just click on the edit with Elementor on the page which you want to customize. Or you can also go to your dashboard, all pages, click edit with Elementor under the page which you want to customize. Now take your cursor to the section which you want to edit. You will see a blue pen icon. Click on the pen icon, then you can customize everything as per your requirement. And if you want to remove something, then right click on the blue pen icon, then click delete. You can change the text, image, font, icon, link and almost everything that you want. I cannot show you everything in this small video, but you can just try to click on all the options. You will definitely learn something. And to save the changes you made, click on the update. If you want to learn Elementor editing in detail, then let me know in the comment section below. I will try to create a detailed video. Also, if you will use a custom domain like me, then you can also get AdSense approval. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching WP Pocket.